President wa America Donald Trump augite kuumana na mututhuko wa COVID-19 uria unyitite andu 4,400 bururi-ini ucio na gucungiriria ikuũ cia andu 86 itaru-ini cia Washington, Carolina, New York, Florida na kungi. Bururi ucio ni urathugunda kuhinga mihaka yaguo niguo kwigitira, no mihaka ya itaru icio ihutitio ndi kuhingwo.
At this point, not nationwide, but well, there are some places in our nation that are not very affected at all. But we may look at certain areas, certain hotspots as they call them. We'll be looking at that, but at this moment, no, we're not.
Amerika itanyite kugatabania githurano kinene mweri-ini wa 11, Trump akiuga gitikurugamio, indi aria arwaru na andu a family ciao ni mathitwo maikare mucii.
If you are sick, no matter who you are, please stay home. If someone in your household is diagnosed with this virus, the entire household should quarantine in the house to prevent spread of the virus to others.
Nakuo Baranja, President Emmanuel Macron ni anirire kuhinga mihaka ya bururi ucio na mabururi mangi ma gitaru kia Ruraya, akiuga muingi ndugwitikirio kuma nja thiini wa thiku 15 ciukite tiga hihi ni undu wa undu muhiu.
J'ai décidé de renforcer encore.
No nginya tunyitie mutaratara wa kugitira na njira ya kunyihia ng'endo na micemanio itari na bata muhiu. Kwanjiriria rucio na thiku 15 ciukite. No nginya tunyihie ng'endo. Uguo ni kuga micemanio ya family kana arata ndigwitikirio.
Les déplacements seront très fortement réduits.
Baranja iria iri na andu 6,600 marwarite COVID-19 na igana ria 48 ni makuite na 12 makahona. Oho ni irugamitie githurano gia thirikari cia matuura kiria kirari gitabanio muthenya wa kiumia. Amerika na Baranja ni ciranire guteithia ruhonge rwa biacara mabururi-ini macio, makiria ruhonge rwa ndege kuumana na igutha ria kiwonjoria riria matungitio ni COVID-19.
As far as the airlines are concerned, the airlines, we're going to back the airlines 100%. It's not their fault. It's nobody's fault.
Kuringana na ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri WHO, COVID-19 inyitite andu 168,000, 6,600 ni makuite, riri 80,000 marikitie kuhona. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.